Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something exciting for all you Meta Oculus Quest 2 users out there. I've got my hands on the black thumbstick repair kit, specifically designed for the Meta Oculus Quest 2. So let's unbox this and see what it's all about. First impressions, the packaging looks neat and professional. Inside, we've got two black thumbsticks, a prying tool, and a cleaning cloth. The thumbsticks themselves feel durable and well made. They're made of plastic, which seems sturdy and wear-resistant. Holding them, they feel comfortable and ergonomic, just like the original ones. Installation seems straightforward. With the included prying tool, you can easily replace the broken thumbsticks. The cleaning cloth is a nice addition, ensuring you can wipe down your device before and after installation. Now, let's talk about performance. After replacing the thumbsticks, I tested them out extensively. I must say, I'm impressed. The responsiveness is on par with the original ones, if not better. Gaming feels smooth and precise, just as it should be. Overall, I'm really satisfied with this repair kit. It's affordable, easy to install, and most importantly, it gets the job done. If you're experiencing issues with your Meta Oculus Quest 2 thumbsticks, this repair kit is definitely worth considering. And that wraps up today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.